Today we will continue learning some useful tips on Python. In our last video, we had created a data frame to transform a horizontal database to a vertical one in order to work better with the data. Now we will use the same first code, and in top of that we will create a revenue graphic by month. First, we will filter the revenue account in our data frame. Then we will use the function groupBy to get our values consolidated by month. After that, we will sort the month values to show the correct order and then set the graphics properties. After setting our code, we will see an image object on top of our cell. If we press that image, the graphic will show. Now let's try to make a change in our values just to show how fast this graphic will adapt. As you can see, the graphic has changed in January. I hope this tip has been useful to you. Thanks, and follow me for more advices.